How to add payment in Google Ads. In this quick tutorial, guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to add a payment in your Google Ads so that your campaigns can run without any of those interruptions. So firstly, I'd like you to go on over and create your Google Ad account if you haven't already, and also proceed with signing in or logging into your preferred accounts. But once you're done with that, I want you to proceed with going on to the tools and settings icon. Basically the wrench icon in the top menu. Under billing, I want you to select settings. And once you're there, you can actually proceed now with adding a payment method. Just go ahead and click on payment methods on the left hand side and then click on add payment method button. Once you're done with that, choose your payment type, whether it's a credit card or debit card, a bank account, or PayPal. Well, once you're done with that, I want you to proceed with entering the payment details, including your billing information and your card or account details, and then click on save. Basically, your payment method is now linked to your Google Ads account, and your ads will run without any of those interruptions. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.